beyond excited to take you on an unforgettable journey through one of the most vibrant and captivating cities in the world, Tel Aviv. Nestled along the stunning Mediterranean coastline, Tel Aviv boasts a unique blend of ancient history and modern marvels that will leave you in awe. Tel Aviv, often referred to as the city that never sleeps, is Israel's second largest city and the economic and cultural heartbeat of the country. Founded in 1909, this young and dynamic city has grown into a bustling metropolis that effortlessly combines tradition and innovation.
Tel Aviv, where history meets modern marvel. Welcome to Tel Aviv, a city that pulsates with energy, creativity, and a unique blend of ancient history and contemporary allure. Situated along the sun-soaked shores of the Mediterranean Sea, Tel Aviv is a dynamic metropolis that has captured the hearts of travelers from around the world. From its pristine beaches to its bustling markets, architectural marvels to culinary delights, this city offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you spellbound. A tale of two cities. Tel Aviv is a fascinating juxtaposition of two distinct personalities, the ancient charm of Jaffa and the modern vibrancy of Tel Aviv. Begin your journey in the historic neighborhood of Jaffa, where cobblestone streets wind their way through ancient buildings and historic sites. Marvel at the Jaffa Clock Tower, a testament to the city's rich past, and explore the Jaffa Flea Market, where treasures both old and new await your discovery. Unveiling the White City. As you venture into the heart of Tel Aviv, you'll encounter a striking contrast, the sleek and stylish Bauhaus architecture that has earned the city its moniker of the White City. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts a collection of over 4,000 buildings designed in the distinctive Bauhaus style, characterized by clean lines and functional design. Stroll along Rothschild Boulevard, a tree-lined avenue dotted with Bauhaus gems, and immerse yourself in a living museum of modernist architecture. Sun, sand, and sea. No visit to Tel Aviv is complete without basking in the sun-soaked glory of its beaches. The city's coastline stretches for miles, offering a variety of beach experiences to suit every traveler's preference. Gordon Beach is perfect for those seeking a lively atmosphere, with beachside cafes and volleyball courts aplenty. For a more tranquil escape, Alma Beach beckons with its serene beauty and clear waters. Culinary Delights. Tel Aviv's culinary scene is a celebration of flavors and influences from around the world. Indulge your senses at Carmel Market, where stalls overflow with spices, produce, and delectable treats. For a taste of authentic Israeli cuisine, make your way to Shuk HaCarmel, where vendors serve up freshly baked pita, fragrant hummus, and an array of Middle Eastern delicacies. And as the sun sets, the city's restaurants and cafes come to life, offering a feast for both the palate and the eyes. A cultural kaleidoscope. Tel Aviv's cultural landscape is as diverse as its population. The Tel Aviv Museum of Art showcases a collection spanning from classical to contemporary, while the Eretz Israel Museum delves into the country's history and heritage. For a unique artistic experience, head to Florentine, a neighborhood adorned with colorful street art that reflects the city's creative spirit. Nightlife Nirvana. As the sun dips below the horizon, Tel Aviv's nightlife awakens with fervor. From pulsating nightclubs that host world-renowned DJs to intimate jazz bars where live music fills the air, the city's after-dark scene offers something for everyone. Dance until dawn, mingle with locals, and soak in the electric atmosphere that sets Tel Aviv apart as a nightlife capital.